Hazard analysis and critical control points, explained, using one dish, fried rice with shrimp. When people hear hazard analysis and critical control points, they think paperwork, but it is practical. It is about controlling risk at every step of how food moves through your kitchen. Let's use one dish, fried rice with shrimp. Start at receiving. Dry rice and raw shrimp must come from approved suppliers. If the source is unsafe, the dish is unsafe from the start. Storage comes next. Dry rice must be kept clean, dry, and protected from contamination. Shrimp must be kept chilled and separated from ready-to-eat food. Now preparation. Rice is washed using potable water, water that is safe to drink. Non-potable water can contaminate food immediately. Shrimp are cleaned using potable water and handled separately. Hands, utensils, and surfaces must be cleaned to prevent cross-contamination. Now cooking. Rice is cooked fully. Shrimp are cooked thoroughly and combined with the rice. This is a critical control point. If cooking is not done properly, harmful bacteria may survive, and there is no later step to fix it. After cooking, we have holding. If not served immediately, food must be kept under control. It must not be left at room temperature where bacteria can grow. Time is critical. Finally, service. Clean utensils, clean hands, and separation from raw foods must be maintained. Contamination at this stage can undo everything before it. Hazard analysis and critical control points is not about doing everything. It is about controlling the right things at the right time. With dishes like fried rice, water quality, separation, cooking, and time control are key. That is how food safety works in a real kitchen. Clear, controlled, and effective.